There are many ways to customize the ServiceNow instance to fit you or your company's wants and needs. Using the Filter Navigator, which is this bar and this column here, you can set favorites from the applications and modules available in the Applications tabs. These can be customized via icon and color. So that would be adding to favorites here. And then when added to favorites, you can use this button in the favorite section to then go in and change color and picture or icon next to each. So here you have On-Call Development Weekly. That's been added to favorites. This right here will edit favorites and bring up the color, as you can see changing here, and the icon, as you can also see changing there. So I will, is there a phone? I don't see a phone. I'm scrolling quickly, so I will just change it to mail and make it red. And click done. You can also use context menus to set filters, change list views, and configure form and design layouts. So that would look a little something like, I'll actually show that one after I go through here, because that'll tie into incidents as well. So on a less technical note, you can go up to the settings and change your theme, black and white, blimey green. I'll do dark now to kind of go with the red that I set earlier. And you can also use the Filter Navigator and go to System, Properties, and then Basic Configuration, UI16. You click this, and after a couple seconds of it loading, you can see that you can change date format, time format, header background, so you can change the color. Let's see if I can get it to a little bit more of a red here. And you can do that for all different types of the screen you see in front of you, as well as also changing the banner image as well right here, and you can upload a banner from your computer that you would like to have displayed there. So now going back into the Filter Navigator, we'll roll into the second question here, which is incidents. And incidents are a way to report issues in the environment. Users can create and view instances by navigating to the application search bar where I am and simply typing in incidents. You will see self-services here, and then this is the incident listed. You can also click new, which will create a new incident. And going back here, I will click on this incident. You can update, resolve, delete. You can change information here. And then going back to the first question, really quick, you can configure form design and layouts here. To find users, you can navigate to this Filter Navigator, type in System, SEC, or type out Security. You will see users, group membership, and a bunch of different things here. Simply go to users and you will see a list of the users available. You can assign them to different groups, you can give them roles, and this is basically allowing you to choose and determine who or what group can do different things in the incident process. The Service Catalog is an application in the Field Navigator, and this provides the customer with self-service opportunities. It will enable customers to purchase goods and services, as well as fulfill requests. It is structured as a self-service portal for end users to navigate, select, and request items and services from your company. It has categories such as hardware, office, and can we help you? And so if you go up to the Filter Navigator, and if you go into Service, you start typing in Catalog, you can bring it up right here, and you can see services, hardware, software, desktops, mobiles, just cell phones to meet your needs, peripherals, office, and this is where you can click on any of these things to order different products that your company might need and start the procurement process. The knowledge base or the knowledge bases are designed to provide you with information regarding a variety of topics you may need to guide you along your way through your instance. You can submit issues via the knowledge base and receive feedback regarding the article that you submitted. There are various articles inside the knowledge base, and every knowledge base is different based on the way varying companies have their instance set up. You can access the knowledge base by using the filter navigator and or going to self-service knowledge. This will display articles organized by the knowledge base and categories. So if we'll go up here to, you will just search for knowledge, and you will see system mobile knowledge bases, but we actually want knowledge bases from knowledge. So we will go here, and you can see these are two articles that are already built. One is by the system admin, one is by Bernard Leboy, and it's just different topics and information and knowledge on items that you may experience. And you can see here now, if you go to knowledge, it's got Outlook issues and a bunch of different issues that you may or may not have gone through or experienced in your time with the instance. And then going back home here, so the ServiceNow instance can also be accessed on a mobile device. You would either go to Google Play or the Apple App Store, depending on which OS that you have. You download the ServiceNow mobile application through the respective store and then log in with your personal account information. You will experience some limitations using the mobile platform as opposed to the desktop instance, but it will still keep you connected to your company on the go until you can get to a laptop or desktop version. And so lastly, work is assigned in the ServiceNow instance by using the task feature. Tasks and assignments are created by users who are requesting a certain task to be performed and are constantly updated through the process. We can assign these tasks to users by adding users to groups, apply certain roles to those groups, and then assigning tasks to those groups. These tasks can also be assigned to users using a similar method. Users in the group can be assigned certain permissions, allowing them to control various aspects of the task as it moves towards completion. So you can see here at the filter navigator, I can search for task, and you will come down to service catalog, and you can see task is right here. Now again, at the end of this, I do want to throw in that I am not using the class ServiceNow instance. I'm using the developer instance. That's a personal instance, so the setup is a little different. There's not as many things to choose from, which is unfortunate, but there is a task here that is already open. It is 4, so it's low priority, and you can see that this is where you could see your approvers if you are given the role to approve. It also shows you people that may be affected. There are work notes. So what you can do in tasks is, as you go through the task process, depending on what part of the task that you control, you can put in work notes that will be seen by other members of the team, as well as if you are working with a customer, some notes will also be seen by the customer as well, so you can let them know exactly what's going on. And it will go from the person working on the task then to someone else who is tasked with approving the task and closing the task. And you can see that you can update, close, delete. You can also follow if you would like to be constantly updated on what is going on with the task as well.